Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about critical path method CPM related problems. This is the problem number 1. In this problem it is given that the following details are available regarding a project and activities A, B, C and D. 6 activities are given A to F and predecessor activity. The meaning of predecessor activity is first this activity should be, if we consider activity B. For activity B, activity A is the predecessor. Predecessor meaning is only after completion of activity A we can start activity B. That is the meaning of predecessor activity. Here activity C predecessor is A. That means only after completion of activity A we need to start activity C. That is the meaning of the predecessor activity. And duration means to complete this activity this project requires 3 weeks. 3 weeks of time to complete activity A. And similarly for activity B 5 weeks is required to complete the activity B. That is the meaning of that is duration. In this problem we need to find out critical path, critical activities, project completion time. First of all, to find the critical path we need to draw the critical path. Okay, we need to draw the critical path. Okay, I will draw the how we will here we will see that how to draw activity and how to draw event. First activity A. Okay, if you consider like this is activity A. Okay, if you see this activity, always we need to draw an arrow. Activity consumes resources, whereas event does not consume resources. Activity consumes the resources. This is activity A. Okay, activity A is not having any predecessor activity, that's why directly we are drawing activity A. Then activity B is having predecessor activity A, and activity C is also having predecessor activity A. That means after A we can start B and C. Okay, in this way we can start. This is B activity, this is C activity. This is B and this is C. Okay, B and C, activity B and C, A is the predecessor. That's why after A only we are drawing B and C. And D is of D, we need to draw D, predecessor is B. That means after B, D should start. So after B, D is started. This is D. Okay, this circles are events and this arrow mark is activity. After B, D started. After B, D started. Similarly, after C, E should start. After C, E should start. And if you see D and E both should after D and E, after completion of D and E, F should start. That means this D and E should join its same activity. Like if you see this activity E. Okay, activity E should start after C. This is after C. Okay, the after C activity E started, and activity F should start after D and E. D and E completed now. Now activity F will start. Okay, this is activity F. Here you might have a doubt why I have merged this D and E, because if I not merge this D and E, okay, here after completion of D and E, F should start. After completion of D and E, F is started. If I draw separately, again one dummy activity we need to draw. To avoid the dummy activity, I have merged D and E activities in the same event, and after D and D completion, F is started. Okay, this is the flow chart of the diagram of the CPM. And after that, here if you see, we will draw this duration also in this activity. Activity A duration is 3. So this is 3. And activity B duration is 5. This is 5 weeks. Okay, this is 5. Similarly, activity D duration 10. That is 10. And activity F duration 4. That is 4. Activity E duration 5. Activity C duration is 7. Okay, now we know all the diagram is completed. Now how many paths are there? This is one path. Okay, this is the starting event. This is the ending event. Okay, this is start event. And this is end event. Okay, from start event to end event, how many paths are there? This is one path, this is another path. Only two paths are there. Okay, if you see path 1. Path 1, what is the path 1? A, B, D and F. And what is path 2? Path 2 is A, C, E and F. This is path 1, this is path 2. If you see in path 1, what is the duration? 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, this 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 4. If you do summation, we will get 22. And similarly, path 2 duration, that is 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4. Okay, if you do summation, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 9, 19. Here we will get 19. And if you compare these two, okay, which is maximum? This 22 is maximum, compare 19. So 22 is higher number than 19. So we will decide that this 22 is the project completion time. This is project completion time. Whichever is highest in the paths, that we will call as a project completion time. And that path, okay, if you see here, from this here is A to, okay, which is path 1 is highest now. So A, B, D, F, this path is there now. This A, B, D, F, this path is the critical path. We will call this as a critical path. Okay, critical path. Critical path is A, B, D, F. This is a critical path, and these are the critical activities. Okay, what are the critical activities? Critical activities are A, B, and D and F. These 4 are the critical activities, and this path is the critical path, and project completion time is 22 weeks. Okay, 22 weeks is the project completion time. In this manner we need to solve this problem. We will see the next second problem, so that we will get more clarity. Okay, this is a problem number 2. This problem is also related to CPM. And here if you see this problem number 2, in this they have given find out the completion time and the critical activities of the following project. They have given the project flow diagram and duration. This black color, inside this black circle, this is the duration, and this circular and 1, 2, 5, this is the event, and this arrow mark is the activity. This A, B, these are activities, and this 1, 2, 5, these are events, and this 7, 10, 8, these are duration of the event. This is the duration of this event. Duration 7 is the duration of activity C. Similarly, 8 is the duration of activity A. 20 is the duration of activity D. Okay, like this they have given the duration, activities and events. They are asking to find out the project completion time and critical activities. Okay, they are asking to find out completion time and critical activities for the following project. In this, first we need to find out the paths. How many paths are there? If you see paths, first path is A, D, G and K. That is A, D, G and K. This is the first path. Okay, path number 1. Path number 2 is B, E, H, K. B, E, H, K. And path number 3 is B, E, I, L. B, E, I, L. Path number 4, C, F, J, L. C, F, J, L. Okay, here only 4 paths are possible. 1 path, 2 path, 3 path and 4 paths. Okay, in the diagram how many paths, maximum how many paths are possible? All paths we need to draw. Okay, these are 4 paths, and we will first path we will do summation of the project completion time. That is A, that is 8 plus D 20 plus 8 plus 6. Okay, 8 plus 20 plus 8 plus 6. If you do summation, we will get 42. Okay, 42. Again B, E, H, K. B, E, H, K. 10 plus E 16 plus H 11 plus K 6. If you do summation, we will get 43. Similarly, B, E, I, L. B, E, I, L. This is this path. 10 for E 16 plus I 14 plus L 5. If you do summation, we will get 45. Similarly, C, F, J, L. C, F, J and L. 7 plus 25 plus J, that is 10 plus L is 5. If you do summation, we will get 30, 40, 47. If you observe 42, 43, 45, 47, This 47 is the highest in compared to all the four. 47 number is the highest. So we will consider this CFJL is the critical path, and okay, critical path is CFJL, and completion time, project completion time is 47 days. Okay, if it is in days, that is 47 days is the project completion time, and CFJL is the critical path. And what are the critical activities? CFJL, this C activity, J activity, C, F activity, J activity, L activity. These four activities are called as critical activities. Okay, these are critical activities. CFJL. CFJL is in this path. Okay, this is the critical path. Okay, this fourth path. This path is the critical path, and this project completion time 47 days. These are CFJL or critical activities. Okay, in this way we need to solve this problem. We will see the next problem. This is problem number 3. Okay, this is the last problem in this video. In this problem we need to find out, they are asking to draw network diagram. Okay, they have given activities and time estimate, and to complete from one to two activity project requires 5 weeks. Okay, time estimate given in weeks. Similarly 1 to 3, 6 weeks. They have given activities and the time estimate, that is the duration of the completion of the activity. They are asking to find out, draw the network diagram and determine the critical path for the following project. We need to draw the network diagram and we need to find the critical path. Okay, first to draw the network diagram, here activity 1 to 2 is they have given. Okay, first activity, this is 1 activity to 2. 1 to 2 activity, time duration is 5 weeks. Okay, I will draw duration in green color pen. Okay, 5 weeks. 5 weeks is the duration. Similarly 1 to 3 also we will draw. This is 1 to 3. 1 is the activity, 3 is also activity. Okay, sorry, 1 is, these are events. 1 2 3 these are events, and this activity 1 to 3 activity is duration is 6, that is 6 weeks duration. Circular, we are drawing, this one is event, this 2 is also event. 1 to 2, this arrow mark is activity, this 5 is the activity duration. Okay, and 1 to 3 also we have done. 1 to 4, that is 3. Okay, this 1 to 4 the duration is 3. Okay, this is 3 weeks. Similarly 2 to 5 we will draw here 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5 duration is 5. 3 to 6 duration is 7. 3 to 7. Okay, 3 to 7 duration is 10. Okay, 10 means 10 weeks here, time estimate given in weeks. 4 to 7, that is 4 to 7 duration is 4 weeks. 5 to 8 we draw like this. 5 to 8 duration is 2. Okay, 2 weeks. 6 to 8, okay, 6 also, 6 to 8 duration is 3 weeks. 7 to 9, okay, 7 to 9 duration is 6 weeks. And 8 to 9, okay, 8 to 9 duration is 4 weeks. Okay, this is the starting event. 1 is the starting event. Okay, and 9 is the ending event. Starting event, ending event. And total how many parts? This is a network diagram. We have completed the drawing of network diagram. Okay, this is the first one is the active, circular is the activities. This arrow mark is the event, and this green color pen 5 we have written now. These are duration to completion of that activity. Okay, first total paths. How many paths are there? We are drawing total paths. Total paths. How many possible paths? First path is 1 2 5 8 9. Okay, this one in this way. 1 2 5 8 9. This is one path. Second path. This is there now. 1 3 6 8 9. Okay, this is the second path. Third path. In this we will draw 1 3 7 9. Okay, 1 3 7 9. This is the third path. Fourth path 1 4 7 and 9. 1 4 7 and 9. These four paths are possible based on this network diagram. Okay, now we need to calculate project completion time. Okay, this 1 2 5 8 9, what is the time summation we need to do? 1 2 5 8 9, that is 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4, that is 1 5 4 5 5 2 and 4. All the summation we will get 16. Similarly 1 3 6 8 9, 1 3 6 8 9, if you sum 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4, okay, 1 3 6 8 9 is 6 7 3 and 4, 6 7 3 and 4, summation is 20. Similarly 1 3 7 9, 1 3 7 9, 6 plus 10 plus 6, 6 10 6, we will get summation 22. 1 4 7 9, 1 4 7 and 9, 3 plus 4 plus 6, summation is 13. If you compare all the four parts, this 22 is highest number compared to 16, 20 and 13. Okay, this 22 weeks is the project completion time. Okay, 22 weeks is a project completion time, and this 1379 is there now. This 1379. This path is there now, 1379 path. This is the critical path, and this 1 3 7 and 9 are the critical activities. Okay, this 1 3 7 9 are the critical events, and this path is the critical path. Here they are asking to draw network diagram. We have drawn. Determine the critical path. This 1 3 7 9, this is the critical path. Okay, this is the critical path. Okay, critical path we have find out, and network diagram also we have drawn. In this way we need to solve this problem. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you share this video to your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.